Tom Anderson. I am the service manager here at A1 Irrigation and Technical Services. A1 started in 2009 when my folks, my mom and dad, bought an existing Rinky dealership. They've grown it quite a bit. It's grown into quite a large business. We have 13 full-time staff, we've got 4 service trucks, picker trucks, bobcats, telehandlers. We've got a big store here. It's with Evolution Wheel. The main product we sell is the pivot tires. That's the main thing that we sell here. Works well with the Rinky irrigation systems. So I guess when we look for a product to sell in our store, the main thing that we look at is the profitability for the customer. How is this going to help our customers at the end of the day? The main benefit is the no flat. When we saw the Evolution wheel as an airless tire that outperforms a typical pneumatic tire, we were really excited about that. This is a huge development for irrigation systems, and not having to mow down crop to work on equipment, you're not having to deal with as much downtime. That definitely helps the bottom line for the customer. So we have used the Evolution wheel fairly extensively in our own operation. We have a 5-tower machine at our home place. We also have a JCB 520 with, it takes skid steer tires as well. It's got the EWRS-ATs on it as well. I was really impressed with how it performed in the snow. It definitely gripped better than the existing pneumatic tires that we had on. You basically can't get that machine stuck with no load in the bucket. For us as a pivot dealer, the business is built on parts and service. The big equipment sales follow the parts and service. People wanted to deal with somebody who was gonna have the parts to fix their equipment, that was gonna answer their phone when they had a question or a problem. I think Evolution Wheel has kind of been the same way. When we've had a problem, you can phone them and get an answer to a question. If you got a concern, same thing, they're always just a phone call away. When I look at this product and the serviceability of it, that's a big selling point for me. If you have a problem with a wheel that you can just yank out a segment and replace it. It's not something that you see with all of the products that are available on the market right now. Not everything is serviceable. To have something that you can repair over and over and over in-house without having to get a technician out, that's a big selling feature for sure. People don't give feedback when things are working good. They only like to complain, and it's been pretty quiet. On the Evolution wheel, like you sell them to somebody and usually you don't hear anything. Like you'll get the nod of approval or the, oh yeah, they're good.